Okay, girls, this play is called stack. And the way that we'll signal it is one fist on top of the other, just like we did in summer ball. And this is the basic setup. One thing I want to point out is that we're going to line up behind the second hash on whatever side the ball is on to give ourselves some space right in here. We don't want to line up right here. So just remember that that's where we line up. But when one slaps the ball, 4 is going to come out and she's going to come over to this opposite block. The hope is that the defender is here and the defender will follow her or get lost in the shuffle of everything going on. We'll also do this in zone and they'll get lost with that sometimes too. As soon as 4 gets out of the way, 3 is going to cut to the corner and 2 is going to come straight out as kind of a safety, and 2's not going to move until 4 passes her, and then 5 will come straight down the lane to this block. And the hope is, like let's say they're in a 2-3 zone, the hope is that this girl will get spread out. This girl will have to make a decision between the number 4 and number 5 girl, and it'll leave something open. So this play is stack, and just remember that, again, 4 curls around, 3 comes corner, 5 will go straight down, and 2 will pop out as soon as 4 has passed her. And that one.